Good morning, Dr. Sand. How are you?
Finally, aloha.
What have you been up to lately?
I'm really interested in creating an aquaponics project for Kahuku High and intermediate students.
Why?
I think it will be a great opportunity for students to learn about the importance about being sustainable. Student participation will also help them sharpen their math and science skills as they measure chemicals and temperatures involved in promoting a healthy environment for fish and plants.
How does aquaponics work?
Well, it's a symbiotic process where the plants help fish out. The fish provide nutrients such as nitrates through their waste to plants, and the plants, in turn, clean the waste and return clean water back into the tank. You can grow healthy organic vegetables such as lettuce and onions from the nutrients provided by the fish.
Don't you have to feed the fish?
Yes, and fish food can be expensive. But I'm working on ways to raise earthworms and flies to feed the fish.
Yuck, that sounds gross.
It may, but it saves money. Otherwise, the aquaponics system is self-sustainable. And that is important, because as the cost of gas and food increases, we have to look for more sources of healthily organic food.
Maybe you are onto something.
And in case there is an emergency that affects food distribution, you can rely on the aquaponics farm to provide food and water for your family.
How much does one cost?
A very small one costs about $100, big enough to show how aquaponics works. A large one would cost about $5,000.
Isn't it easier just to go to Foodland or McDonald's to buy food? It's so convenient, plus I don't have to spend time preparing food.
Yes, but you never know when there will be an emergency. What would you do if all the stores are closed and there is no more electricity, gas, cell phone service or water available?
That would be a nightmare.
Even if you had money, what good would it do if there are no stores open?
Maybe you are right. I should start planning for an emergency like you said, but I don't have $5,000.
Just try the small one to learn, and then expand from there. Then you can learn to expand and make a larger one later on. Try to learn success and failures of other aquaponic farms.
I like to eat other foods besides just lettuce and vegetables.
Well, I think lettuce is a good start. Maybe you can gradually start using healthier foods so you can get used to them. You can order less imported food like onions and parsley, and then adding them with the regular foods you eat.
Okay, that sounds more reasonable. I think I will give it a try.
Great. Why don't you come visit our school? We have a small aquaponics demonstration going on next week in Kaneohe.
Okay, count me in.
See you there. Aloha.